Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this side mirror from a Peugeot 207. So first of all, let me show you from the other side how it looks like. You have those pins that hold this in place. The large part is here. You see it's here. So I'm going to put like small flat screwdriver here and try to open it very gently. The closer the screw is to the pins, the less chances that the pin will break. See? Now we have the two pins down here, so we push it upwards, and you can see have those two pins, downwards, and the one here. Now with the light, need to push this round pin upwards. That's it. The light is this. If you want to take out the light, just push those two metal pins. Now I have this 12mm bolt to undo. We need to disconnect the wiring loom so we can get it out. So we need to take all the door panel. If you want to see how to remove the door panel, please look at this video. Now all you have to do is push here, and that's it. And other one, you need to push this button. And now we need to take it. Don't forget the wiring loom. Here is the brown one. If it's caught up, you can twist it, then take it out, and that's it. This is how you remove the door mirror. If you need Peugeot 207 parts, please contact us in the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.